Today I will talk about Hezekiah's illness and recovery. This is the 20th chapter. About this time, King Hezekiah fell ill and almost died. The prophet Isaiah, son of the Amos, went to see him and said to him that Lord tells you that you are to put everything in order because you will not recover ready and you will die. Hezekiah turned his face to the wall and prayed, Remember, Lord, I have served you faithfully and loyalty, that I have always tried to do what you want, and began to cry bitterly. Asa left the king, but before he had crossed through the central courtyard, the palace, the Lord told him, to go to the Hezekiah and ruler of the Lord people and say to him, I, the Lord, the God of your ancestor David, have heard your prayers and seen your tears. I will heal you in 3 days and you will go to the temple. I will let you live 15 years longer. I will rescue the city of Jerusalem from the emperor of Assyria. I will defend the city for the sake of my honor and because of the promise I made to my servant David. Then Asa told to the king attendants to the put on fig paste on his boils and he will get well. King Hezekiah told Asa that what will be the sign in 3 days that God will heal me? Asa replied, and then he prayed to God. Lord will give you sign that he will keep his promises. Now, will you prefer to the shadow of stairways to go forward 10 steps or go back 10 steps? The Hezekiah answered, It is easy to make the shadow go forward 10 steps, make it back steps. Asa prayed to God, and Lord made the shadow go back 10 steps on the stairway. Set up the King Ahaz. This is the most important incidents going shadow behind 10 steps. So I'll give little bit clearation of these sentences. There were primitive navigation. Sahara Desert people have shadow clock. On surface which the shadow falls and determine the time, night, daytime, and night time by stars. They determine this clock. As you know, the sun stands still, and our earth rotated west to east. In our vision, sun moves east to west, so shadow moves west to east. Earth moves 18.51 miles per second and per hour 1668 miles per hour. So this is the phenomena, historical phenomena had happened that day in Hezekiah's life. So 10 steps gone forward means earth has to remain 10 steps, 10 steps at least 1 minute or 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 30 feet or more than 50 feet. Earth has to stand still, and it was recorded in NASA scientist or something. So there was a relapse of their computation was this time. Say that the Earth rotates herself and around the sun, but it rotates herself and the 18.51 per mile it means rotate herself. So this is the phenomena most phenomena in life of this so I'll give some quotation in Exodus chapter 21. Though Moses held out his hand over the sea, and the Lord drove the sea back with a strong wind, it blows all night and turned his sea into the dry land, and water was divided, and the Israelites went through the sea on dry land with the wall of water on both the sides. Then I'll give the New Testament example. Luke 8, chapter 22 verses. Jesus calmed the storm. One day Jesus got into the boat with his disciples. Suddenly strong wind blew down on the lake and boat began to fill with water. The disciples went to Jesus and woke up him and saying, Master, Master, we are about to die. Jesus got up and gave order to the wind and strong winds and waves, and both the winds and waves died down. Disciple amazed and said, Who is this man who gives the order to the winds and waves? And they obeyed him. Another Luke chapter 9:28, Transfiguration. About the week after he had these things, and Jesus took Peter, John, and James with him and went up the hill to pray. While he was praying, his face changed appearance as clothes become dazzling white. Suddenly, two men were there talking with Moses and Elijah with him. Peter and other disciples saw the story and the two men standing with them. I'll give another story from birth of Jesus. So Matthew 2nd, visitors from the east. Jesus was born in the town of Bethlehem in Judea during the time when the Herod was a king. Soon afterwards, some men from studied the stars came from the east to Jerusalem and asked, Where is the baby born to be the king of the Jews? And we have come to worship him. So Herod called the visitors from the east to secret meeting and find the exact time the star had appeared. So they left on their ways. They saw stars, same they had seen east. They saw it and became happy. It went ahead to them until it stopped over the where the child was. They went to the home and they saw the child with his mother, and they knelt and worshipped him. I'll give another example. Death of Jesus. Jesus, Matthew 27, 50 to 51 verses. Jesus again gave loud cry and beat his last on the cross. Then the curtain begins in the temple was torn into two parts from the top to the bottom. The earth shook and rock split it apart. The graves broke open and many people have seen these grave people who has raised from the dead. So these are the two examples, three examples of I'll give to support of natural miracle God has made to believe on this miracle of sun goes 7 steps down. Then other example is that Moses, when these Israelites were they were asking water. So he had hit his stick or a staff on the rock. The rocks spilled it and water came through the rocks. I am a water diviner, and water diviner knows that water, we are divining water with the machines. So we have seen the earth's color, then stone. Then we have to take the where 2 to 3 kilometer water comes, catch-up area, we call it catch-up area. And then we have to put the machines and see the underground water by machine. But we never try on rock or something, because the rock it is at least 40 feet, 80 feet, 120 feet sometimes. It is a rock style, depth is. So I am a underground water diviner, technician. So if he goes on top of the mountain and he hit that rock, and water comes through that rocks. So that is exact miracle from God. Other miracle was Hagar. When Sarah gave too much trouble to the Hagar, so she has got an Ishmael son. So she ran away from the Abraham and this Sarai. That time she was a Sarai. So she came in desert, and there was no water for this child. So he cried, and then on this desert, angel came and said that dig the little bit by hand flow, and then water comes exactly as she drank the water. So these are the miracles in Bible, and there are so many miracles. This phenomena, sky phenomena or natural phenomena. So scientists say it is a phenomena, but it is a miracle. The Ezekiel was ill, and he was not believing on Jesus, believing on God that He will make him within 3 days heal or something. Then he asked this Isaiah, what will be the sign? So he said, okay, you will not believe, but God will fulfill His promise, and within 3 days He will heal you. then what is the sign? He said that if shadow machine goes forward or upward, what will prepare? So Hezekiah is a very clever man. He knows that forward this shadow will go easily. That is her routine ways. But upward, it is a very strange thing. So it cannot be. So God made the shadow go behind 10 steps maybe if you want to take the 10 step or something, at least means at least 1 to 1.5 minute. So 1.5 means earth has to stand still, and sun is sky is one place only, but so it has it was a very great miracle by the Lord made for Hezekiah, and that this miracle throughout the Bible, when Jesus on the cross or something, that curtain torn top to bottom, then many graves open, then Moses, one of the staff is raised the staff on the Red Sea, and that become two parts. And that water was on the like a all both the sides. So then this miracle of three kings, those who are from east, nobody knows about them. But previously, this knowledge of navigation and star reading, the many people have much more in detail. So they search, they have got a knowledge that one star will appear, and that star, the Bible he says that star goes before them. So actually it doesn't matter. Many stars in the sky comes, stars comes and goes, but these stars for them only. God made the separate star to appear and lead to the infant Jesus. Then this miracle of Jesus on the boat, and it was there was a storm and highly speed waves were there. So he stopped the wind. There is no power to stop the wind, but because wind comes from anywhere, nobody knows till now. And then it is because of solar system. They say solar system it comes and goes or something. Then waves of the ocean. If you go to oceanology sometimes, so the waves because of gravity or solar system, that waves come because Earth has to move around rotate with her itself, so that water always turns into this waves all the time. So that also Jesus had made the miracle for them. Then Jesus appeared on the mountain in figuration. So that also Jesus on the top of the hill, and then Moses and Elias came, and John, Peter, they saw him, and they amazed that Peter exclaimed that I build one tent for you, then Moses and for Elias. So this the miracle God has done many times, and unexpected miracles. So we the Christian people, we are believing totally God, we are believing our God is a living God. Many gods are Egyptian gods are died, Assyrian gods are died, similar gods are died, Philistines gods are died. Even many, I don't want to speak other gods, but many gods are came and died. But Jesus is living. He said, I am with you, and He makes the miracle every person. I'll give the Hezekiah's example. Hezekiah was a nice king. He was a nice king, but he was suffering from violence or something. Maybe he has some wound from war wounds, spear wounds, or he has having some boils on his body, and he is about to die. And he prayed. He was praying to God. That is the one thing that is when Elijah came, and he was crying. He was putting his mouth or something towards the walls, and he was crying bitterly. He was crying bitterly. Then when Isaiah came, and he said that within 3 days you will heal and go to the temple. But still he was not believing. Because when in our life, when suddenly some miracles happen, we say that it is a luck, our luck, or it is we don't feel sometimes when miracle becomes very easy within hours, within a minute, within a second. So many people don't believe in miracles, but miracles happens, and this Lord says, because of my glory, I will make this miracle, and I have promised for the King David. That's why I am doing this miracle. In our lives also, He makes His glory appear to us. We are human beings. Our first concern to adore Him, worship Him, remember Him, and live an earthly life, fulfill life, detached from, that is one thing is detached from sins, detached from wrongdoing, because God says, my yoke is very light, and you will get happiness, you will get peace or something. So if you have a detachment of sins and more beliefs on Jesus Christ, on God, so He will take care of any bad situation, anybody. He knows that Hezekiah was about to die, there was no solution for him. Isaiah also said that yes, Isaiah gave the message that prepare all the things and settle all the things, and he ought to die. That is all. And he was going, return, he was going. On the way, he was going, passing through the palace, courtyard. So he has, Lord is given him message. So God make at least half an hour, 1 hour or something. He has got the lapse of sending a message to Isaiah. So God might have told on the star that time only, Hezekiah, you will be cured. But no. So Hezekiah has to remember God. He has to have the greatness of God. So then he came, returned to Isaiah and said that you will be healed. Then he was very happy, and he was very happy. Still he was not believing, because miracle happens very shortly. And he said, what was the sign for me if you give something? So he said that the shadow of a staircase, or there will be machines, shadow machines. Every king has got the shadow machines, because they have to fought for their enemies. So there was a primitive palace or something. There was always having the shadow machine, but that for the shadow, it shows them determine what is the time. If it is a cloudy area or something, it doesn't work. but when you came into the sunshine or something, it gives clear. Now also, if you see the shadow machines in Delhi or many places, there are set up shadow machines. So we can see the shadow machines very clearly and accurately. Season wise, they give show the timing. So these are the 10 steps backward of shadow. It is the most that earthly phenomena, solar phenomena. God has changed for the Hezekiah, and He will also do this great work. It is a very great. No scientist also doesn't believe in this fact, but it is a thing that we should believe on Jesus' miraculous power and God's remedy, God's kindness within our life, and we should worship Him, and we should have trust in His miracle power.